So we neglected to do this before we came out, but since we're here, we have lubricant for the slide out. This one is for the gears. It's like a really thicker WD-40. And then I have the rubber seal conditioner. Keeps the flaps all nice and fresh, I guess. So they don't dry out and crack. It keeps the water out. That's the main thing. So this is really important, as is this stuff. So, the main thing that I always shoot at is the gears in the back, and this is going to be hard to see. Right there. Make sure that those are nice and lubed, and I always kind of give this a shot down as well. And that's it. Piece of cake. There's one on each side. There's one down there, and I can't walk underneath this. So I'm gonna hand the phone back. Ow. And do the same thing on this side. This one's a little easier to get to, I think, for some reason. It's closer to the outside of the slide. Piece of cake. We gotta go back to get the rubber stuff. And this one is a little bit more difficult to do since you have the seal that goes all the way across the top. So I have the ladder out. From one side you can get about halfway down. So I have to move the ladder to the other side. And while I've got the ladder out, I always like to clean off the slide before we put it in for the trip. So I'll be doing that next. But here, just liberally spray. I guess you could say you can't have too much seal conditioner. So better to err on the side of overspraying than underspraying. Wow. Ground is sloppy. I'll say our walnut yuck from last season seems to be gone up here, which is good. The rain that we had over the first few nights probably took care of that for us. We used to have a broom to sweep off the slide, which is a pain in the butt. So for $100, we made our lives easier. Good. Again, make sure you get both sides.
Hold on, let me get the lantern.
No, I'm not going to get. I gotta do the side. Raining down stuff. I'll say make sure you get the flap as well as the thick rubber gasket on the side. It's all rubber, so you gotta make it count. Keep it lubed. Hopefully I won't fall this time. Alrighty, and there we have it. We are conditioned.
So I would think now that we kind of have to hang back and wait for it to dry so that when we put the slide in, this lube doesn't drip on the inside.
Good point. Happy you brought that up. What you should do is wait for the lube to dry before you put the slide back in so you don't get any of the conditioner inside the camper. If you found this video helpful, give us that thumbs up. Make sure to like it, and subscribe. Click that bell so you don't miss any more of our videos that are coming out. And as always, from both of us, happy camping.